Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout Wasteland Warfare. First, you'll select a scenario and prepare your miniatures and terrain. Each player then builds their force, spending caps to recruit units and equip them. Next, set up the battlefield by placing terrain and objective markers as described in your chosen scenario. Finally, roll a 10-sided die to determine who takes the first turn, with the higher roll winning. This sets the stage for an exciting wasteland adventure. Gameplay unfolds in a series of turns, each divided into 3 distinct phases. During the activation phase, players alternate activating their units. When a unit activates, it can perform up to 2 actions. These actions might include moving up to its speed value, typically between 4 and 6 inches, or making an attack. Planning your unit activations strategically is key to controlling the battlefield and achieving your objectives. Combat is central to Fallout Wasteland Warfare. When attacking, you roll a pool of colored dice, such as red, yellow, or green, based on your weapon and skills. The defender then rolls their own defense dice to block incoming hits. Compare the number of successes to determine how much damage is dealt. Units have a set number of health points, and taking enough damage can lead to being taken out or suffering critical effects, like being knocked down. To win a game of Fallout Wasteland Warfare, you must achieve the victory conditions specified in your chosen scenario. These often involve controlling specific objective zones on the battlefield, eliminating enemy units, or completing unique narrative tasks. Throughout the game, you will earn victory points for successfully completing these goals. The player who accumulates the most victory points by the end of the final round is declared the victor of the wasteland.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.